In this AlignMix video, you will learn how to use the lock tool. The lock tool is used to prevent changes from being made to completed territories, and it's also used to keep track of your progress. So I highly recommend using the lock tool as you finish your territory so that you know which territories are left and which territories are yet to be balanced and optimized. So let's zoom into the Florida area down here in the southern part of the map. Let's assume that Miami is completed. We're happy with that territory, and now we want to lock it. To lock the territory, you right-click on that territory to pull up the radial tool, and then you simply select the lock button. When you do that, a lock will appear in the center of that territory, just like the labels do. We can do that for every territory. Right-click and click on lock. If you've accidentally locked a territory that you didn't mean to lock, you can unlock it the same way. You right-click and then click on unlock, and right-click and then unlock. There is a keyboard shortcut that will allow you to bypass that radial tool. If you hold down the L button on your keyboard, your cursor will turn into the lock icon. So while holding down the L button, you can left-click on a territory and it will lock those territories that you left-click on. When you let go of the L button, your tool will revert back to the tool that you had initially before clicking that L button. You can also unlock the territories the same way. Simply hold L on the keyboard and left-click on those territories you want to unlock. There is one more way to lock your territories, and that's from the territory table view. So let's zoom all the way out on this map and open up a new tab. To open up a new tab, you click here on the plus button, select territory table from these options here, and there's your territory table. From here, we've got a locked column. Right now, you can see that we do have some that are locked because it's partially filled in this checkbox. We can lock territories from this view by simply clicking on the checkboxes, or lock them all by clicking this checkbox here. And when we go back to our first tab, you'll see each one of them is locked. And if you lock some by accident, you can always right-click and unlock them, or hold down the L button on your keyboard to unlock them this way. The lock tool can also be used in the district map view and region map view. And there you go. You've just learned how to lock your sales territories here in AlignMix.